In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these items and make something beautiful. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. This is your kind of content. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today I am co-hosting an open invitation collaboration. And that collaboration is, the title is Farmhouse Friday, and it's a home decor challenge. And it is hosted by Nadia from Coffee with Nadia. And the co-host is myself, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. Now if you're not familiar with her channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist for the other participants down below in the description. And don't forget to go and check out the other participants. I know you will enjoy their work as much as I will. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my farmhouse decor. Your girl is trying. The table runner and the napkin, they were purchased on Amazon. The You've Got Mail sign, it was thrifted. The white plate was thrifted. The ribbon around it came from Amazon along with the wooden beads. The plate stand came from At Home. The bucket came from Hobby Lobby. The white roses came from Amazon. The candles were a gift, and the wooden candle holders were thrifted. That's everything I used. This was a no-spend decor challenge. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you be blessed.